Crash course on Thai language, an introduction to the Thai language, including basic grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Sure, let's get started. Thailand is a beautiful country with a rich culture, and one of the most important parts of Thai culture is the Thai language. Thai language is the official language of Thailand, and it's spoken by over 20 million people around the world. The Thai language uses its own unique script, which is written from left to right. The script is made up of 44 consonants, 32 vowels, and 5 tone marks, which determine the tone of a syllable. Learning the Thai language can be a challenging task, but it's an essential part of understanding the culture and connecting with the locals. One of the interesting aspects of Thai language is its use of polite language, which is known as kreng. Thai people place a lot of emphasis on respect and politeness, and the way you speak to someone is a reflection of your social status and relationship to them. Here are 12 popular Thai phrases with English translations. So what dai, hello. Ka toot, excuse me/sorry. Kop kun, thank you. My pun rai, it's okay/no problem. Tak Thai, greet/introduce oneself. Chai due, help me, please. Raw y, delicious. Dai prayot, beneficial. My cow jai, I don't understand. Chob pai noi, slow down, please. Nuyum walk, very tired. Sanuk, fun. Learning these phrases can help you navigate your way around Thailand with ease and make connections with the locals. In summary, learning the Thai language is a great way to immerse yourself in the culture of Thailand and connect with the locals. It may take some time to master, but with dedication and practice, anyone can learn to speak Thai. And now, as promised, here's a poem about the Thai language. Thai language. A script unique and intricate, with consonants and vowels to make. A language full of tones and grace. Thai culture in each word we trace. Respect and politeness we see. In the way we speak, kreng jai, agree. Connecting with people, culture to explore. Learning Thai, we open a new door. And here's a song about the Thai language, to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Thai language, Thai language. Unique and beautiful to hear. Script and tones, we must master. To connect with people near. Respect and politeness we show. Kreng jai, a way of life we know. Learning Thai, a path to explore. A culture rich, forevermore. Verse 1. Sawati krap, let me teach you something new. The Thai language, it's beautiful and true. From Sawasti to Kob Kun and La Korn. These phrases you'll use from dusk until dawn. Chorus. Thai language, oh so sweet. From north to south and sea to sea. The words may seem a mystery, but soon you'll be speaking effortlessly. Verse 2. Chai means yes and my chai means no. Kat and ka show respect, don't you know? Aharn is food and nam is water. Sanuk means fun, it's like no other. Chorus. Thai language, oh so sweet. From north to south and sea to sea. The words may seem a mystery, but soon you'll be speaking effortlessly. Bridge. The tones may be tricky, but don't you fear. With practice and patience, they'll be crystal clear. From Bangkok to Chiang Mai. The Thai language will brighten up your day. Chorus. Thai language, oh so sweet. From north to south and sea to sea. The words may seem a mystery, but soon you'll be speaking effortlessly. Outrow. Sawati krap, now you know a few. The Thai language, it's waiting for you. With every word and every phrase. The beauty of Thai will amaze. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Thailand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Thailand, Please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. NHub Metaverse Team.